this dinosaur has been one of my most clear and one of my perfectly favorite dinosaurs that, well, I've taken a liking to it, that's all. Basically, I've seen this in one of the Jurassic World games. This dinosaur is named Nasutoceratops. The reason why they're called that is for the reason that his spiky, because of his bull-shaped horns. Another thing is for the reason that his frill is much different than a regular Triceratops. This is my first time meeting this guy. Alexa, play Celestial.
Celestial by Ed Sheeran on Amazon Music.
You see, tonight it could go either way. Hearts balanced on a razor blade. We are designed to love and break, then to rinse and repeat it all again. I get stuck when the world's too loud and things don't look up when you're going down. I know your arms are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space. Celestial.
And done. There he is. That's how you draw Nasutoceratops.
Shining through the rain, 1,000 colors in a brighter shade. Needed to rise from the lowest place. There's silver lining that surrounds the gray. When I get lost, will it come back round? Things don't look up when you're going down. I know your arms, they are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel